Here's a good example of some knobby material from Lightning Ridge being encased in the parent clay material. Rules and millimeters. Material's been wetted. White that you can see there. Coming and going, that's the light reflection, and this is opalized clay that if we kept tumbling it'd just wear the opal away, so we tend to stop and sell it the way it is. Some people like to have it as specimens for their showcase. Other people will continue to investigate and grind the clay off and see what they end up with. There's a row of nobbies back through here. Anyway, nice little bit of colour there anyway. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.